Hello, it's Bruce here from Xeikon Colour Services, and a small presentation to introduce our latest innovations in colour management. So Xeikon have been evolving with their colour management for many years now, starting with our own colour system back in Drupal of 2012. We keep making innovations over those years, and now we're proud to present our new system, Xcs Pro 2.0. So many people say, why do I need colour management in digital printing? And often these are people coming from a conventional point of view. And if you're a printer coming from a conventional point of view, then this should be familiar to you. You have your separations or plates, and you have your physical conditions, and you have your visual results. Now, the thing about separations and plates is that the colour is fixed kind of into the dots. It's binary. If we look at digital printing, something very different happens, and that is that the colour coming into the system, or the file coming into the system, is continuous tone. And continuous tone allows us to manipulate colour. Obviously, we need to do this in the most accurate way, and that's why we use colour tools, such as colour management. And then we screen or make the plate right at the last second before it's printed. We get the same visual result, but the big lesson is digital printing follows different rules to conventional printing. Same result, different methods. So what are the benefits for you? Well, emulation is one of the things that digital printing allows. We can make the look and feel of either a proofer, a flexo press, or even a litho press. And this makes easy migration and cross-production, a very important thing for most customers. Brand colours need to be as accurate as possible, and colour management allows you to do this with the most ease. So no guesswork, and so the most efficient production. Quality control throughout the world is becoming more and more important. Brand owners and end users are wanting evidence that their job is in specs. And also, we can, with colour management, control your consumable consumption through technology, and this increases profitability. You can see these things as accuracy, predictability, or profitability. So let's look at the product. This is our product, Xeikon Colour Services Pro 2.0. And at the head, we have our cloud colour engine. We have our automation system, which we'll look at shortly. We have Colour Forecaster Pro. We have Colour Key. We have measurement devices. We have the trainings. And we will come and check with you periodically every half of a year that everything's okay, or can we help? And of course, we don't stop you for having more machines than one. Everything is a site license. So if we just touch on a couple of those products, we've got Colour Forecaster, which is about brand colours. So we need to match colours, maybe we need to match a sample, and we need to make sure that the way we do this isn't through guesswork. So the mantra is measure, calculate, and check. Colour Key gives reports, which are important in the quality control regime. So reports such as for operators, managers and for end users. Moving on, now the big innovation we've made is our automatic colour management system for the dry toner machines, where we use the inline spectrophotometer to actually do all colour management on the fly while in production. So there's no man time, there's no waste, and there's no downtime. Here's a little movie to explain how that works.
In the printing industry, digital printing is the solution when it comes to small batch work due to its ability to quickly switch between diverse print jobs. Today's print jobs, however, are becoming more complex and require precise color management in order to satisfy the client. Products must remain consistent and accurate in look and feel in the eyes of the print buyer. Even with current technology, guaranteeing such quality requires quite some manual labor. But is the current process really optimal as it is? If a new order comes in, first a quality reference print is made on a separate printer. Subsequently, the operator produces a test print on a digital production press. The test print is then given to the head of quality control, who verifies its quality compared to the original reference print. If the quality is not up to par, prepress has to get involved in order to correct the order. The color values are manually adjusted according to the results of the production press. During all of this, the printer can start printing, costing hours of downtime. To optimize this printing process, Xeikon has developed Xcs Pro 2.0, a fully automated system which drastically reduces the startup time of all print jobs. It does this by first printing and scanning color patches in the blank area of a production run. The measurement data from these color patches is sent to the Xeikon cloud database. This is where the color quality is verified with a digital reference file. Required adjustments are then automatically sent to the production press, ensuring the perfect colors from the first print onwards. By offering an automated solution that guarantees the highest uptime and quality, the amount of successful print jobs a day increases. Compared to any other printer, this saves incredible amounts of money. And that is why Xcs Pro 2.0 is the ideal printer package for any job imaginable.
I hope you enjoyed that little movie there. And I'm just going to illustrate now the difference between a manual process for colour management versus the automatic. Now, you have to remember a manual process would be the same for any third-party colour management system that you might look at. And occasionally we may have to use this for our machines such as inkjet machines. So we have to create a profile. We have to print something, we have to measure something, we have to calculate that thing in a software, and then we have to configure a workflow. At this point, we're in a good place to go to production. However, there's the flip side to all colour management, and that is we need to check that we're in a good place. So periodically, we need to do a quality control. And it's the same process: print, measure, and calculate. And then you're in a pass or fail sort of scenario. If we pass, then no problem. We can go and print. However, if we fail, then we've got to do something about it. Now, if we look at automation, we just start production. Everything is done on the fly. So we calculate the profile, we configure the workflow, and then periodically we will check that everything is in specs. And if it's in specs, then there's nothing to do. However, if it's out of specs, we'll automatically either create a new profile, inform the operator, or even stop production. So there's zero man time with this while you keep the maximum quality all the time. So we have two options with our new system. Remember, everything is a site license. So option one, because we have our inline spectrophotometer on our dry toner machines, is the Xeikon Pro 2 Auto. And then for other machines which do not have yet an inline spectrophotometer, we have the manual process, but we still have a lot of strong and wonderful technology behind all that. So thank you very much, and you can contact myself or Patrick, and we'll be happy to answer any questions you have, and happy printing.